Hello, I want to document the smart wheel fix on my 2008 Signature Cambridge 4. And what I had was a smart wheel was acting up. The buttons were intermittently working for cruise and wipers going all completely and coming back. So I've got this fix from the Monocore's website, more specifically from Frank McElroy. And I'm going to show you that we have the power supply here from Amazon, 12 volt to 5 volt. There's power supply. We're going to fasten it to the inside of the front run box. And here's our little schematic where the 12 volt is on the top and the 5 volt is on the bottom. Going to put a 1 amp fuse on each side and going to connect the 5 volt side, which is the black wire and the yellow wire, to the wires coming out of the J plug. So we've got the ground wire over here. It's in focus enough for you to read it, but it's number 26. And then this is number 27. There it is right there. That's the 5 volt power to the smart wheel. So what we're going to do is clip these and tape off the end going to the computer. And we're going to supply a new power supply into the system and a new ground into the smart wheel. So there's the supplies. It's pretty simple. There's a little schematic. I'm going to go ahead and make the installation now that I'm all prepared. Okay, we've finished installing the 5 volt power supply for the smart wheel because it is failing to receive 5 volts out of the computer system. So we're looking at the front run box of my 2008 Signature Cambridge 4. So what we did, so we connected to 12 volt power, the 12 volt ground, put a fuse in there, an inline fuse on the supply side, 1 amp, and then coming out of there we also put a 1 amp fuse in the 5 volts, which we tapped into right there, the red into the white, and then the black into the white is the ground on the 5 volt side. And then what you see here are the clipped off wires of the 5 volt power supply and the ground, both labeled there with the smart wheel. So we've taped them off, and so we're all set with our installation. And we're gonna go inside and check to make sure that the wipers work, because I had lost them completely, and we can flash headlights and start her up and see if the cruise control is working. Thanks to Frank McElroy for providing me the information on how to make this repair.